Hi everybody, this is Dr. Lisa Jewell with South Bay Plastic Surgeons, and I want to talk to you about a very common side effect from surgery, which is constipation. When I see you at your preoperative visit, I'm going to give you this handout with instructions for preventing and treating constipation. The most important thing that you can do after surgery is just make sure that you stay very well hydrated. Surgery is very dehydrating during anesthesia, and immediately after your recovery, you may not feel thirsty. And so it's important that when you're able to tolerate taking food or liquids, that you try to maintain good hydration. And you can do that with water or any sports drink that doesn't contain caffeine. The second most important thing that you can do, especially if you typically drink coffee or tea in the mornings and that helps you go, is to go ahead and start drinking coffee and tea the next day. And it's okay to start as soon as the day after surgery. After that, you're just going to go down this list. If you need extra help, you might want to consider taking a fiber supplement. A stool softener might also help you go. And then if you need some extra help, you can move on to osmotic or stimulant laxatives. Either way, it's really important to try to stay as regular as possible, because if you are constipated and you strain when you have a bowel movement, that can increase your risk of bleeding, and we really want to make sure that you don't have any other postoperative complications.